What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? We are back with another tutorial. Here we got my favorite and personally the best online education platform currently out in 2019. So what it's called, it's BitDegree, and what they offer is a variety of courses, but a lot of coding and game developing courses, which I love. So what they are is it's a blockchain education platform, and you can pay through cryptocurrency as well as fiat to enroll in these classes. So I'm bringing you guys today a new tutorial on my favorite coding course that was offered on the site. And for all you beginner coders, this is a great place to start and to continue your passions and careers. So let's start the tutorial. So what is it called? It's called a Unity tutorial, database interaction, the ultimate PHP and MySQL course. So Unity tutorials made easy. Learn Unity, MySQL, and start interacting with the databases like a pro. This course was rated 4.2 stars, and over almost 15,000 students are currently enrolled in it. For a 4.2 star rating for an education course, that's a very high rating and highly recommended. Most teachers are never rated this high, so that's why I'm really excited to bring you guys this one. The course details. So there's 40 lessons throughout the course. Skill level is beginner, so even if you're never coded before, you can take this course and learn it for yourself, which is awesome, and you get a certificate after you complete the course. What will you learn in the course? So you will build a professional backend layer to store and retrieve data for your Unity video game. You will understand how to use MySQL and PHP as a solid data layer to communicate with Unity. Learn basics of PHP, learn basics of MySQL, and learn quick setup of PHP and MySQL for Unity. So pretty much what you guys are going to be learning is a lot of the back end of your video games, of your mobile games. So you've already coded a bit, and now you need to get to the more advanced level. Before I go any further, I'll give you guys a quick little preview of what the class might look like or does look like, and how the teacher teaches it. So it's really straightforward. It's just step by step, so you can pause it and learn it at your own time. Or if you need to take a break or anything, it doesn't matter. You can just take the course as it comes, and it's all up to you of how often you want to do it. So you can see the teacher just kind of goes step for step, point for point, and everyone can understand it, which is awesome.
Unity. Now this may take a while because it needs to import the assets first, and you need to open the actual Unity scene. And mine's already open because it remembers it, but the name is scene-combat.unity. Okay, so that's what you have to open, and that's inside of the assets. So click on assets, and if you drill down, you'll see the scene-combat. It's the one that has the Unity icon. Double click on it.
So that was a quick little tutorial and review of what the course looks like when you're actually taking it. You just do step by step, so it's awesome and a great way to learn. So the course is being offered for $173.99, and what this entails is you got a 4-hour on-demand video, extra material included, access on mobile, and lifetime access. So pretty much it's a one-time purchase, and you have this data and information forever. So you can show your cousins, you can share it with your family, you can give it to your kids, their grandkids, you have it forever, which is awesome. A textbook alone normally costs $200. So a course like this is very cheap and definitely worth the price. So let's do a little description about what it actually you'll be learning in this course for everyone that wants to know. So you finished a few Unity tutorials and you've created a game. Now you would like to set up an authentication system for it but don't know how. This is the tutorial for you. Through this course, you'll discover how to create a backend layer to store and retrieve data for your video games. You'll learn SQL and PHP basics and understand how Unity interacts with other systems. And all you need is a few hours in a free afternoon and a passion for learning. Yeah, I can't stress this enough, guys. If you have a passion for learning and you want to learn, you will learn this so quickly compared to someone that's not interested in it. So if you're taking this because you have a passion for coding, this course is definitely meant for you and you'll really enjoy it and definitely benefit from it. So all the programs using this Unity and SQL tutorial are free to download and use. So you don't have to worry about any extra pricing or programs that you need to do it. It will be all free and provided for you. So like I said, it is a beginner-friendly course. All the steps will be explained slowly and steadily in video lectures. Therefore, you won't need to look for any extra materials or Unity tutorials. This course provides everything you need to learn SQL, PHP, and Unity for authentication purposes. That's awesome. Unity tutorials are useful for understanding how authentication systems are created. Therefore, they're also an excellent tool to learn SQL and PHP, as well as how these languages work together. And in this course in particular, makes it super easy to understand all those concepts. Learning SQL or PHP or any other program language on your own might seem like a tricky task. However, with some help in this course, it's not that difficult at all. You'll be learning by working on an actual project. Therefore, it'll be far more rewarding journey, and you'll come out with a prototype, which is awesome. So authentication systems for successful online games is a must-have. It is a tool for developers and users to retrieve login data like email and password, as well as in-game related assets such as weapon, resources, gear, and so on. Leading MMORPG games like Diablo, RuneScape, World of Warcraft are based on such authentication systems, and they need it to run. So if you're trying to create a game that includes variations like this, this tutorial and course is meant for you. To create an authentication system for a video room, you will be using MySQL services. Many huge organizations like Facebook, Adobe, Google all rely on MySQL. It is one of the most popular open source databases in the world. MySQL helps to ensure high performance on websites as well as packaged software. So, SQL or structured query language is used to access and manipulate databases. SQL can retrieve, insert, delete, and update information in a database, as well as create new databases and tables, stored procedures in them. SQL is a query language, therefore it works a bit differently than programming languages. Learning SQL and how it varies from programming languages will help you utilize it most efficiently, and this course has an excellent SQL tutorial that will help you and master the most crucial basics. Yeah, this course definitely goes into detail about all the fundamentals and really gives you a great understanding of what you need in the coding world. So now you might ask why you need to use PHP instead of connecting Unity straight to the database. This question and many others will be answered in this tutorial. However, to give you an idea, I'll tell you that it's a way to make the information far more secure. If you use a PHP layer, the database isn't exposed directly to the players of your game. That stops many causes of cheating and account theft. So it's pretty much you're stopping hackers, which is a really big problem in the gaming community. Got to stop them all. So don't waste any more time. Make your game secure and easily accessible with the help of one of the best Unity tutorials. Enroll now. So let's go learn a little bit about the developer. So Johan has over 135,000 students, which is a massive audience, and he has a really far reach. He has over 18 courses related to this and has an overall 3.5-star rating. So he's a great teacher and someone that will give you a lot of great knowledge. So a little bit of background on him. He's one of the leading teachers in mobile game programming. Johan has been a college instructor for over 10 years. He has a unique style. He's enabled more than 50,000 students to publish their apps and reach the top spots in their fields. So just from that, you can see that this guy knows what he's talking about. He's been doing this for a while, and he really helps his students out. So if you're looking for a teacher that can pursue or push you and elevate you to the next level, Johan's your guy. So let's go to some platform reviews just to see if this platform is in fact what it's saying it is. Awesome terms for students and also for instructors. 5-star rating, passionate team, and really good terms. All types of courses are interesting. Want to be a teacher. Every feature is top notch. And the reviews guys just go on and on and on. Everyone loves this platform. That's why I'm recommending it here to you guys today. There's no bullshit. It's fucking awesome. And that's why I'm kind of showing you guys and broadcasting it, because I know people will be very interested in it. And online education is the new wave and is going to be massive by 2025. So right now you're hopping on when it's cheap and when no one really knows about it yet. So other than that, guys, the description or the link for this course will be in the description below. Also, if you want to sign up for free, the link for that will also be in the description below. Just go check out BitDegree and tell me what you guys think of it. Obviously, you don't have to buy anything. You can just go and enroll and do some free tutorials and see how you like it. Also, you can just go check out the site and see what they offer. It's really interesting, and you guys would really enjoy it. So a little bit more of the site. Let's see what we got here. So the world's most influential experts, masterclass available now. genuine IT masterclasses for a higher salary. So what BitDegree does is that was just one course that I was showing you guys, but it offers thousands and thousands of different courses for you guys. So if you would like that, link is in the description. You can sign up. Other than that, I hope you guys have a great week. Finance Media, over and out.